Good day everyone, I am John Paul Arcilia and I will be performing acid-base titration. Before we proceed to the titration, the first thing to do is to prepare our titrant, which is the NaOH solution. Dissolve an appropriate grams of NaOH pellets and dilute them using boiled water using a 250 ml volumetric flask. In preparing the solution, the distilled water must be boiled first to eliminate its CO2 or carbon dioxide content. After preparing the titrant, let us now proceed to the preparation of our analyte. Since we are doing acid-base titration, the analyte that we will be using is a fruit juice that has citric acid content. For this experiment, we are going to use the brand Locally Calamansi flavor. After pipetting 10 ml of sample juice or acid to the Erlenmeyer flask, add a few drops of phenolphthalein indicator. Before we proceed titrating, place tissue paper at the bottom of the flask so it can be easily seen if the solution changes color. Upon the addition of the NaOH solution, which is our titrant, make sure to swirl the flask to ensure the titrant mixes with the analyte. When the color change persists longer in the solution, start controlling the addition of the titrant to avoid overshooting or over-titration. In this part, the solution color changes into a very light pink color, indicating that we have reached the endpoint. Now, for visualization purposes, let us know what will happen if an excess drop or amount of titrant will be added. So as you can see here, upon the addition of another amount of titrant, there is a huge color difference from very light pink to darker shade of pink. This indicates that you have over-titrated.